How to fix the governor springs on a Weedeater lawnmower? The governor on a small engine controls the engine speed. If the engine runs too fast on a small engine, it could result in catastrophic failure. In the case of a small engine, it can actually break apart if it runs too fast. Repairing a governor and replacing the springs is the same for all brands. If the springs stretch or break on the Weedeater lawnmower, you must replace them to keep the engine from running too fast. It only takes a few minutes to replace them, and simply ignoring them can mean having to replace your lawnmower. Repairing a governor and replacing the springs is the same for all brands. Things you will need: socket set, needle nose pliers. Remove the air cleaner from the lawnmower using a socket and ratchet. It is a square black box on the top of the engine with a single bolt holding it in place. Locate the governor near the carburetor. On the Weedeater lawnmower, this is a flat piece of metal sticking straight up and down with holes in it to hold the two springs. You will see the springs if they are not broken. Remove the two springs, or what remains of the broken springs, using a pair of needle nose pliers. Install the new springs into the hooks using the needle nose pliers to stretch them between the two sides. The long spring goes on top and the shorter one on the bottom. Start the mower while the air cleaner is still off. Listen to the mower run. If it sounds like it is sluggish or wants to stall, adjust the governor by slightly bending the flat arm to the left using a pair of needle nose pliers. Replace the air cleaner on the Weedeater lawnmower and tighten the bolt using a socket and ratchet. Tips: warnings. Do not touch the engine when you replace the air cleaner since it will be hot.